And we'll roll this out into a cord. Only this time we're actually going to flatten it a little bit. Put some cornstarch underneath it so it doesn't stick, and then roll it this way. And then we'll take a ruler, place it on top, slide the ruler down, continue to cut, and then I want to actually cut this in half again because it's going to be too wide. So let me get this excess part off. Okay, so this is going to go around the edge like this. So we'll take some water, go all the way around the edge. And I don't think I'm going to make it, no, so I'll just cut it off there at that end. Okay, so now we're going to put a little bit of diamond plate on the front of the drawers. So I'm just using ruler width here for the bottom drawer because it's a deeper drawer. And then I'll do ruler width and cut that in half for the top two drawers. And I don't think I need that, but I'll save it for a second. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and use this one for the bottom. And I'll just put a little bit of water on the back. And then get your scissors. Okay, and then I'll cut this one in half. And one more thinner strip. There we go.